So I woke up late today and at 8:30. Then I went to the gym, and at the gym I realized while doing some sets of the shoulder press, like, looks funny. I realized that I had a low blood pressure and I came back home ASAP. Got in my Kambal and watched TV. And I told Naina to not come today because I was feeling very, 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 very dull. And then I drank a very strong coffee right after telling her this. Now I feel perfectly fine. So, what was I watching on the TV? I was watching some vlogs that Anna recommended me to watch because I am her manager and I need to tell her what she should make on YouTube. तो देखते देखते मुझे व्लॉगिंग का चस्का चढ़ गया और मेरा मन करा कि मैं एक व्लॉग बनाऊं और एकदम से मुझे चस्का चढ़ गया कि भाई व्लॉगिंग करते हैं. एंड द रीज़न इज़ आई हैव दिस कैमरा while every other vlogger begs to get this camera. I have this camera with me, so why should I not vlog? इसका एक रुपया वसूल करना है तो vlogging करनी पड़ेगी. And I think I know this is probably gonna be my first and last vlog ever, but the thing is I'll have all this stuff for memories to see afterwards in life. मुझे पता है कुछ होने नहीं वाला as such, ठीक है, but I'll tell you the rest of the story about why YouTube and vlogging is like something to do with me, okay? I'll tell you later in the vlog. Even though I'm vlogging today, that does not mean that I'm gonna wear good clothes today because I'm still kind of weak from the morning. I'm not like fully energized. I am energized. What is even energized? I just want to say that whatever outfit I'm gonna wear is not gonna be like one of my finest work. This is what it looks like from the inside, all messed up. I haven't gotten a chance to wear this and मुझे ये काफ़ी मन है कि मैं पहनूं कहीं पे. तो let's hope I get invite to an event जिसमें ऐसा पहनना पड़े कुछ. The lighting in my bathroom is so good. Okay, so one thing about me, I'm gonna be like super unhinged on this channel and not be like serious or not gonna think about, like I'm not gonna put a lot of thought about what I'm gonna post, or I'm just gonna take it very unseriously and just do whatever feels right at the moment because I just want to do it as a creative who likes editing and want to try editing long form content. So what better content than mine? And now see the outfit, what I have made. The shirt coming out from the sweatshirt also looks nice, and I'm wearing my pajamas. Okay, it's a weird outfit and I'm weird like that. I love wearing weird clothes. I mean outfits. Clothes are normal. The way I style them is weird. Hello. Now I'm sitting down. I haven't done any makeup. I just put this very dark lipstick on. And I put olive oil on my skin. So for moisturizer I usually use olive oil or coconut oil, and I put that on my face and the dark lipstick I was talking about. So I will wait. I haven't switched the mic on. Camera और mic दोनों की बैटरी एकदम जा रही है, but I will work and yap about a few things. So जो मैं अभी वीडियो के स्टार्टिंग में बोल रही थी कि you'll get to know about what I like, मेरा YouTube से क्या रिश्ता और नाता है. So when I was in about to enter 9th standard, I went to Goa before that, and then I made a vlog, and that vlog was very nice. And the reason I learned editing was to edit my dance videos. Okay, so I just made a travel vlog also, and I posted that on YouTube. If I would have some snippets, I'll just show you guys. And then when I came back, I started doing these dance videos, like full I'm dancing and it will be cinematic stuff, like the park and doing random stuff. I'll show you guys that as well if I could screen record. If those videos still exist. Then I made a few videos and I was like, I don't think it's going anywhere. So I just stopped. And later in college, I again felt like that this life is worth recording, but I never recorded anything. And the day I chose to record was like a very boring random day, and I was like, today I'm gonna record a YouTube video, and guess what we did in that YouTube video? So it was my mom's birthday and we were going. So, as a creative person, my brain does not allow me to just sit idle. And I've been taking things slow with the company, so I just felt like I need to do something else as well. And with the extra time on hand, I felt, why not do something that takes creativity? I don't know how this random videos of the vlog that I've shot count in creativity, but still, like, it feels nice to do something that's like a little different from your own routine, so life feels a little different. I hope you guys get what I'm trying to say. So I'm gonna make my Notion schedule now, and I would just record a time lapse maybe. I'm getting distracted by this camera. I'm not making a time lapse. Okay, see you in the next clip. So the next clip is also from the same angle, because look what I just did. देखो भाई, ये देखो. Oh, I have a channel now, and these are the few old videos that I made for my college projects. The final year short film. Don't watch it; it's very bad. Ew, bad. Oh, bad. This is kind of nice. Like, it's nice, and this is amazing, and this is stupid from school. Acha, this is from college only. Okay, whatever. This is my new channel, and the reason I have put lilies, I'll show you this in a second. It's this exact flower which has trust yourself written on it, and this is the exact flower, and I have it here. I have it there as well. I'll show you. This is my lily, and these are the real lilies that I get every month, and I watch them bloom. Look at them, they haven't bloomed yet. All three of them are halfway there, like they will bloom by tomorrow morning, I feel like. This is also not fully bloomed. Okay, more fresh flowers, not flesh. Everyone that I know knows that I am a flower lover, and that is why I have changed these flowers as well. These are not real, these are peonies, and these are my third favorite flowers. So I had so much work lined up for today, and I couldn't do anything. Why? Because I got low blood pressure in the morning, and then I gave up on the whole day. But then I watched some vlogs and then started vlogging, just giving you a recap, and then I worked for a while. Now it's currently 4 p.m. Okay, do you wanna see the proof? Here you go. It's 4 p.m. and I think I have vlogged enough. और मतलब मुझे लगता है मैंने काफ़ी ज़्यादा वाला व्लॉग कर लिया है, चाहे बस वो लंबी लंबी बातें हों. ये देखो मेरा अजीब सा आउटफिट, प्लस पीछे कपड़े सूख रहे हैं बिकॉज इट्स कोल्ड एंड बाहर नहीं सूख पाते सारे कपड़े, तो यहाँ पे टंगा दिए गए हैं देसी हाउस हो. So guys, I'll tell you why I watch so much TV. It's because I don't watch like random TV shows. Like, I do watch TV shows, but or YouTube videos. I am a person who finishes movies in days. Like, every day I have to watch one movie.